Hey everyone, today I'm going to share some life-saving Excel saving hacks you absolutely need to know. Trust me, these tips will make your Excel experience smoother and way more efficient. So let's get started. First up, the ribbon menu. If you're using Excel 2016, 2019, 2021 or Microsoft 365, just click File. Then Save to save your work with the same name and location. Need to save it with a new name or in a different place. Click File, then Save As. Easy, right? Now let's talk about keyboard shortcuts, your finger's best friends. For saving the same file, hit Ctrl S on Windows or Command S on Mac. Want to save a new version? Use F12 on Windows to open the Save as dialog or Command Shift S on Mac. Next, the Quick Access Toolbar or QAT. Just click that little save icon, usually found in the top left corner. One click and you're good to go. Here's a neat trick for Windows users, the right-click method. If your file is open, you can right-click the Excel tab at the bottom and choose Save or Save As. Super handy. For those with Microsoft 365, autosave is a game changer. If your file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, autosave automatically keeps your changes. Just make sure it's turned on. Feeling a bit more techie? Use VBA to save your files programmatically. With a simple VBA script, you can automate the saving process. Try this ActiveWorkbook.save to save the current file, or ActiveWorkbook.save as see a path file named LSX for a new name or location. Need to export your file to a different format? Go to File, then Save As, and choose your desired format like XLX, DexLS, CSV, or even PDF. Finally, for the automation enthusiasts, use PowerShell or CMD to save Excel files via scripting. This requires the Excelcom object, but it's perfect for automating repetitive tasks. So there you have it, essential Excel saving hacks to boost your productivity. Try them out and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching.